Hello everyone, I am Pupul Haikruzam. I teach English for classes 9 and 10. Hello everyone, welcome to English class. In our class, we will read class 10 English course book, unit 1, lesson number 2, a trip to Zuko Valley. We have already started this lesson in our last class and this is a continuation of the same. What we have read so far is this lesson is about a trip that has been organized by Seven Sisters Tourism and Manipur Adventure Academy. So organization anisina 18 members team ama Zuko Valley da trip po chatpa expedition chatpa gini ko. Expedition chatle Zuko Valley yore, and when they reached, right, they were amazed and surprised by the beauty that was there. Masa inga makoy bungay rami ba phazaba mayam do adu da pungok nga kiba pumpim pen kiba do adu ni koy na tam kiba se na trakwa karino oiramba se ayung anta temperature do na -20 degrees Celsius orapa matamda asagi white frost to na covered orama kana makoy na angoba ngorok ngong na lairamba do the view, that is what they were happy about, that is what surprised them. Adagi mu karino makoy na ubase nga saigi the frozen sheet of ice type dong saigi valley may pau na chatli ba stream do ko adu na ising matak to, it was all frozen and they were able to walk over it, right? And that happiness, the beauty that they receive on having experienced that kind of a beauty do adu the happiness to ko adu ni koy na tam gibase ko. Another happiness, another good thing, the good thing is the welcome they receive at by the chairman of Viswema Naga village to ko. Viswema village sida sagi Nagaland leba Viswema village sigi chairman ama the villagers mayam duna pibirak welcome do adu do, so it is also worth mentioning, it is also worth remembering, okay? But I think asagi happiness ma'am, that there was something very bad that happened also. Yam nungai ta ba. Okay, that experience witnessed by the this expedition team, and that is the scattering of the leftovers by the early visitors. Hana la amba mayam duna amot pa mayam chakharaga thamamba do adu uba matam da makoy nungai ta bane ba ko, but they volunteered, right, because every one of them was environment conscious and they volunteered and they clean up the place and happiness was back on them. So now let us continue. Lesson se mo continue torasi. Let us see what further we need to learn from this lesson, a trip to Zuko Valley. Zuko Valley, Harbadida, since we keep on repeating the name, we need to know the meaning of it, right? The name Zuko, it comes from a Mau tribe word. Mau tribe, Manipugi tribe, makan Mau doko. Makoy word ni, makoy dialect ni hai. Zu means water and ko means coal. So now we get the meaning. Zuko, habitem water ga, coal ga. Adu di coal water habatare na trakwa. And how does the valley get its name? Zuko Valley, hana valley tampak sige mapam se Zuko Valley kauriba karigi no haragadi. Through this valley mayay pauna, there's a river that flows, and the name of the river is Zuko. Mayay pauna chatli baturil sige maming se Zuko gowi. So the valley gets its name from the river. And when we look at the valley and when you reach the valley and when you look around, the things that you will see, the things that you will notice. Simani, magi description hai tare na tra view do ko lepa kana yengba matamda ching obra tampaki portion do obra, what do we get to see? Adu duni mo mana mathang dahai sana. Kari hai gi bu valley se fork shape oigani hai ko ipan phando pa sumaina na tra fork shape oigani ko akoi besina kai le ba hillocks and mountains. Hillocks are the small hills macha duni, and the mountains the bigger ones at the back, okay? So when you stand in the valley, what you're going to see is first the colorful grass and the flowers. Valley do the spread out or iba phazaba mayam do ko asagi lay makal saliba, not only the lily but we get other kinds of floras there. Plants mayamama, flowers mayamama phangeba ko adu mayam do na sat laga lay riba do adu ki makal machu phazaba mayam do mamu urani nacha adagi valley sige hek thangna na. Next to the valley, what we're going to see, the green hillocks, green oiraga lay ba ko yam phazaba asagi pambi mayam na upal mayam sina pung na horag lay green of hillocks to adumu irani and farther away kara muk lapthok padana kai ugani koina the mountains the bigger ones to koina uduine bako adu lap na laigiba makoi dudi kai doni they will appear deep blue hai lap na laigravni and because of the dense forest, okay, the bigger hills there, the bigger mountains at the far end of the valley, they appear to be deep blue. Magi color say being covered by the clouds or not, it appears to be of deep blue color. So mine oini harekwa. Mo valley sigi appearance this is na hek yen ba matam dugi appearance lere na cha adu valley sigi magi situation height wise ngasai di parents subdivision ga Senapati district ka dana lay na high grade na ko adu ga husik na altitude height wise da ma se kayam wang ba mapham da lay gi habdo chingkar ga leram doi ni valley se ko adu na ma se it is situated in an altitude of 2450 meters above sea level high samudra imai gi mathak gi nab olakpada 2450 meters ko aduda laiba aduga area sigi khwaidagi wangba mapham hargana 2630 meters ni ko khwaida wangba mapham do adudagi khitang 180 meters kumdharapa samudra imai dagi nap ola agana sigi mapham sidani mana laidori base hai ko kadom da chatla kanda national highway number 39 khoi gi dimapur lambi ko ba national highway number 39 se masida chatlani chatla kanda Viswema village se Nagaland se Yorpa Viswema village se si Yorpa dagi akoina mapham se changba doi ni mapham se thengna doi ni ko adiki mukhoi lesson sida kari mu habirami next paragraph mamuk paba matam dana ko lesson sida kai topography ko topographically na haiba paragraph to adu ni ko explain to mina doi si horuji topography hadi physical feature habadi ngasai gi yengba matam dadi magi beauty duni ko na khangre na ta height su khangre physical feature valley se kamaina toge habado chingdu moina matumoina leibra na taga chingya makhong da leibra kumain toge magi physical appearance haiba tara noibra kangbra haibadu ko adugi type ta hangba matam da topographically masikari no hargadi magi northwest hai ko north ka west ka ani gi marak to adom dana Zafu Peak se laigani hai Zafu Peak se akoi gi Nagaland da laiba ching amani ko aduna Zafu Peak se na magi northwest maikai se da lairani aduga amu Iso Peak natraga khoi gi Mount Tenipu habado Senapati district da laiba ching ni ko aduna Iso Peak natraga Mount Tenipu haiba ching se Iso Peak natraga Mount Tenipu haiba Senapati district laiba ching se khoi Manipur gi highest ni habado highest peak ni ma se ko aduna sigi Mount Tenipu se ma se na Manipur rom dana south east rom da mane Manipur rom dana ma je Mount Tenipu na khandoi ba ko ana valley se mai da leni Nagaland rom north rom du dana Zafu Peak tu na khajalani ko khan laga di panthat laga leibu main le ni Manipur rom sum south rom da yenga kandana ma se Mount Tenipu do aduna that laga leibu do adu maina tawrani thatlaga leni aduga ching ani sina naikan se thatlaga lerabani na magi appearance kai oini habada amphitheater like hai ko amphitheater ga de khoi gi open air theater hai bani ba se open air theater hai ga room gi yamna phawba colosseum do adugi mawong chini stage da mayai de lega mi mayam sna yengak pagi khoi gi audience kai ka phamna basna question laga leibu do open air di oiba ko mathak kupadi yaudaba aduga khoigi main stadium harisane khoni yam khamba Manipur gi khumal lampak ki main stadium sana mai de field se lega audience na koi ni yengsilak pa yai dana ko adumaina leiba structure do amphitheater like to adumaina oi Juko Valley se na haiba ko aduna ngasai gi mathak to chingna nakan thatlaga su pungkhut khupchan badi natabani na noshit ayengba mayam amadi west rom se gi sum sile hai ko sila aduge magi leiriba mawong se kitang altitude to wang na leibani na mayai pharoga chatliba streams mayam sina si ke dawi asagi waterfall du maina ga ko chendagi ba mayam amasu lei hai ko adige mo mana leiriba mapham se ke dawi asagi higher temperature and alpine zones of the eastern Himalayas hai Himalayan range ki khoi se sum ipom na tharapa mapham du ni dana ko aduduna haidarapa mapham sigi alpine zones hai ba ko khoi ngasai gi leiriba man leiriba mapham se lamdugi area dugi ko ken ho to ba mapham sing ni sin alpine oi ba di chingi oi ba portion sing do khoi Manipur da hai so north khoi Manipur se chingna koina pansaba hai ni dana ana koisaliba chingna koisaliba khoi gi Manipur gi adi chingi alpine oi ba portion do aduda leiba valley ni na man hai ko topography khange magi temperature mo climate wise ko aying asa do ko maina to ge hadi aying ba mapham ni hobuda su khangre solid sheet of ice hai dana ko it's a cold place there so the temperature ranges between 6 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius sigi temperature se da sum lere And sometimes in the afternoon, the temperature rises. Afternoon or this usually happens when the sun rises and the sun is at the peak. The temperature usually rises. But in Zuko Valley, highest 18 degrees Celsius. Summer early morning, usually the temperature dips. Summer winter early mornings the temperature deep. The temperature there at Zuko Valley falls down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Aduna yamna low erapa matam yaubani ngasai stream da frozen oi hydrodini nacha. And because of this drop in temperature, it makes the rivulets to freeze into solid state. Aduna ngasai team dunaga sanari do because of the temperature there. Nacha. Last paragraph se da kai hai mana ko akoi matang topography altitude me word meaning mayam khangre ko loisala pada mana towards the end of the lesson mana kari pi ge have akoi da the plants that we find there mafam du da laiba plants and animals that we find there ko Zuko Valley, so we know it's famous because of the Zuko lily du ne di makhange khoi na natra main thing is the lily there ko adu du na but apart from the lily, there are other plants, other variety of flora that we get there. Some plants have been mentioned here. Some variety of grasses are available there. Dwarf bamboo, also called as tenwa. The dwarf bamboo, primula types of flower. Primrose ka hapedo adu phange hai new specimens of lily, not only Zuko lily but some other species of lilies are also available there. They buttercups hawe hai yellow flower duni ka willows hawe hai natra the willow tree do lai hai ka and barberry some groups of berry sigumba mayam se makhan mayam se phange hai ka adigi atopa mana ha ga mayam se gi marakta ko fauna so some animal species are also available hadi leiba bafam se Zuko Valley chapter matam the people get to witness some fauna ko ma se rare fauna ne hai other places the phangdaba ko ada kwai digi yamna important oina se da phangi se kari no hargadi meadow larks ne hai ko uchek makhal di meadow larks se Zuko Valley the chatpa matam da koina si mafam se da uba phangani hai ko Phazaba mayam ama leire Zuko Valley se kadai da lai karamba makhal gi oi temperature na kaino kamai na chattoino loina makhange dana ko mayam se gi marakta ko kaida we nungai tab amadi leiri ba kanana no nungai trese environmentalist and nature lover ko akoi bigi pibam sibu yamna khanjari ba people who care for the environment, people who care for the beauty of nature, they have a fear. And the fear is that the beauty of this valley may get spoiled because of human interference. Miyoi ba koi na changjalo badagi akoi gi adi careless oi badagi ko adu mayam duna beauty se mangan gi ba yai habigi fear amadi mayam se the lady have ko phazaba se kai no hagadi manas the describe the rome the beauty. Okay, this is worth remembering. And when we read the lesson, this is to be focus on ai beauty sang sai white adu da have mayam se the manayama poetic oina ko describe the ramba ama yawi adu di kai no have matam da ko Nasagi frost and snow do not white or henba matamda valley looks like abode of angels who repose and sleep here. It looks like an abode of angel. It looks like a residing place of the angels. Akoigi sorarindegi lakpa lairibakdegi kumdharapa sorarindegi kumdharapa lairimbi singdo makoina laibam yam phazaba mafamni lairimbina laigedaurimni siniman haiseko aduna adugumba lairibakdegi lairimbi singduna kumthara akanda laibam mafamdo adumaina it's like the place of the angels. Angel na laibam mafam hagadi obviously the place is going to be a very beautiful place. Yam phazaba mafam ama oidoine ko adumaina yam na phazaba mafam ni repose and sleep here. It's like a place where the angels come to repose, to take rest and to sleep. Ko pothaba lakpa mafam do aduga chap manaba yam na phazaba mafam ni sinida. Only to wake up when the spring comes and dance through the valley. And when spring arrives, when the flowers starts blooming and when everything becomes all bright and colorful, the angels who are sleeping in the valley, they will wake up. Okay, and they'll start dancing around. They will add to the beauty of the valley. Henna phazaba mafam ay the angels naga laaga layba yaba mafam ni sigumba phazagraba mafam se akiba madi layri kai human interference. Akoy miyoy basigi carelessness. Asagi leftovers mayam do amot pago hundo omba mayam do adudu na valley sigi phazaba se pangan gi gedra masi se valley se tung koina mayam gi pukning huriba ko asise ngamaroidra haibigi akiba malaireba natra ana khwaidigi maru eba environmentalist mayam sida khwaidigi maru oina khallaga leirise ko how long will this beauty continue to enchant us ne ko kayam koina Juko Valley sigi phazabase sisna akhoibu enchant pukning sumhat pase kayam koina ngamdoriba no na mi meham se khallaga leba ko how long the beauty of this valley will last haina ko question ni natra and the only answer is it depends on the aptitude and attitude of man. It depends on the thought and behavior of us man. Akoy miyoy bada laire du di hai. Juko Valley chapa matamda si protect ogadabani, destroy to bayade hai base khalaba thought to wakanduga loina na chatlaba. Ko behavior yoba mapamda charuragasu thauragasu aigi seasonary ba plates ni khangde cups ni khangde adu myamda disposable oina hundu omba nataba you bring it back with you madi natural beauty ni nata madi preserve taraga thamamdoi ni back home di I know where to dispose my garbage adun aina puraga la akanda where you find a proper dustbin atu the dispose to biba nata adu di aptitude and attitude si se maru oisanida khangba amma Tokpa ama ani se miyoba man akhwadegi ani se tokla akanda we know that the beauty of Juko Valley will continue no matter chahidu di haiba ngamora ko it will continue to enchant us. So this is a lesson, a trip to Juko Valley. Juko Valley lesson se khoi swai da loire recap am tang tausi natranga sigi class ta kai kai tammi have do ko Juko habesigi meaning tame Mau tribe word ni hare ko zoo water ko sima leire natra magi height to kadai da leige habado highest peak to dagi 180 meters kumdar akanda lei habado leire topographically kai male hare mana amphitheater like ne hare temperature di kai ne haba 6 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius ne hare natra flora da kai phange hare mana mafam da apart from the Juko lily ko grasses dwarf bamboo primula some species of lily buttercups willow barberry phange hare nata yamna rare oiba fauna ama phange aduna kai no hargadi mido lak to leire nata adagi fear ama leire fears ne kai no destruction of the beauty of the valley ni ko adugi fear dugi solution di kai no aptitude and attitude of man sine na hare ka. So with this we end the lesson.